We have a very popular YouTube channel, and one of our more popular videos on that YouTube channel is step-by-step how to inject a crack. And so from that channel and that video, we get lots of DIY, do-it-yourselfers that are asking questions on how they, and if they, can inject the crack themselves. And for the most part, I would say yes, because we show you step-by-step on how to do it, but the knowledge behind the crack and whether you should inject it in the first place or not, or whether it's injectable, depending on its location or the type of crack it has that you're dealing with, that's where some professional knowledge is really going to help. There are certain cracks that you do not want to inject, because what you're trying to do with the crack is you're trying to address an outside issue affordably from the inside of the home. So certain cracks, say cracks in corners, cracks at the bottom of the cold joint where the wall meets the floor, cracks that are not wide enough, certain form cracks where the forms definitely meet side by side. You don't want to inject those types of cracks. There are different types of solutions for those. Your cracks that are more diagonal, very traditional, those tend to be injectable cracks as long as they're wide enough. So yes, you can do it. And yes, we see many cracks here at Pier where someone has tried it themselves and ultimately failed, because we're there to ultimately professionally waterproof that crack. But we encourage you to try it if that's something that you want to do. It's securing the materials can be hard to find, because you have to be a professional contractor many times to be able to purchase the exact materials that we use to inject a crack, to be able to apply years and years worth of warranties, to that injection material and the procedure that we use to inject that crack. But it is a rather step-by-step, rather straightforward process. Just having that knowledge is where the typical homeowner might not, have all the knowledge they need to inject it as successfully as someone from, say, like us, a professional contractor like Pier.